Hello, I am Katie Prager Rooney from Prager Winery and Port Works in the Napa Valley. It is a beautiful summer day. The evenings cool down very nicely and it's the perfect time to come out to the patio and have a port cocktail. Today we will be making a White Port Spritzer. It takes very few ingredients, it's very easy. We will be using our Aria White Port and Perrier as a sparkling water. That's the one we prefer. You can use any sparkling water you like. We have a glass of ice here and a lemon, and that's all you need. So you start by putting your port in first. You just need a couple of ounces. And then you put in your sparkling water. So the ratio is 2 parts water to 1 part port. Then you need a little lemon twist. So you just cut off a little bit of peel from your lemon and give it a twist to release all of those great oils. Put it in. I like to put a little bit of the lemon flavor around my rim. And that's it. A White Port Spritzer. Cheers. Perfect.